This video is to help you with worksheet 37-4, problem number 1, where we are going to be factoring. All right. First step for factoring is setting up our binomial multiply problem, where we're going to be undoing the FOIL multiply method. And in the F part of FOIL, when you multiply first times first, n times n, that's going to get you your n squared. So that's where we've started. And what we're looking for now is the L part in FOIL, which needs to make this number 14. So I'm going to list all the different possible factors of 14. There's 1 times 14, and there's 2 times 7. Now, when I do the O and I part in FOIL, those numbers always end up being like terms and get combined to make this number. So I'm looking for the pair that would add or subtract to possibly make 5, and that pair would have to be 2 and 7. So I fill in my 2 and 7. Now, when I do add them, I am supposed to get a negative 5. And when I add and subtract, I keep the sign from the bigger number. So my bigger number, 7, must be negative to match the 5. Now, I have to decide if this is then plus 2 or minus 2. If I put minus 2, then negative 2 and negative 7 would make negative 9, which is incorrect. But if I put plus 2, positive 2 and negative 7 will make the negative 5 I need. So that is now factored. But we're still not done, all because of this equals 0 out here. So we need to figure out a way to turn the first parenthesis into 0, and a way to turn the second parenthesis into 0. And there's a shortcut to this. We found out that by splitting it, subtracting 2 on both sides, what you end up with here is the exact opposite of what you had here. And the same thing happens for the second one. You add 7 on both sides, and the shortcut was that this answer ends up being the opposite of this number. So we could have skipped all of this particular work and went straight to the answer by using that idea of the shortcut. And again, for that shortcut, we would have had an answer that's the opposite of positive 2 and the opposite of negative 7. All right. The rest of the problems on this section should be the same as this one. Let me know if you need any help.